Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In his video, I am going to unpack the Extrude tool for you, and we will go through all the options. So let's get started. I am going to use our default cube, and we will subdivide it further so that we will have more faces to play with. By the way, you can check all the shortcuts in the bottom left corner. So starting with simple extrude, the shortcut is of course C. You can also use the Extrude tool from the toolbar. And you can now control he extrude with this yellow circle. You will use the same method for the multiple faces. But if you want to extrude two faces facing in different direction use, then also you can use same method, or maybe you will like to use extrude along normal rather than simple extrude. You will get that option in the toolbar along with all the other options. And if you want to keep the same thickness throughout the faces, just press Alt. And you can see the difference clearly. You can extrude the faces outside or toward the inside directions. But if you extrude the faces on the corner or the edges, you will get this ugly, unwanted faces. But to fix that, you can use Extrude Manifold from the Extrude tools. See, now we will not get those faces that we don't need. Now we look at the extrude at cursor options. For that, we will select any face, and then we will have to go to the side view. And from side view, just click the left mouse button, and the face will get extruded to that position. Now, finally, we will see the Extrude Individual option. It is very self-explanatory. It will extrude all the faces individually and not all together. You can check the extruded faces by scaling each faces individually. Again, all the shortcuts are below. And that's it. You have learned all the options for the Extrude tool. Just keep practicing and trying out new thing to model to grasp these methods. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, please mention which tools or modifiers I should discuss next. See you in the next one.